Good morning. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is gonna be a couple of days in it. I don't know why I'm telling you guys my filming schedule, but whatever. Welcome back. It is a very gloomy, rainy day outside. I'm not sure how well y'all can see, but it's raining. Also, I need to get a new camera because I'm so sick and tired of having to, as you know, adjust the lighting for every single thing that I do with this particular camera. So I can't figure out how to put it on like auto adjust, and I've tried. So I think I just need to get a camera that just does that automatically without me having to worry about it. Also, I'm just chilling in my room. I'm watching Married at First Sight. Y'all know this is my show. This original binge watching, like, love this. So this is the current season. I'm catching up on it now. I'm supposed to be working out with my roommate this morning, and she is she needed a couple more hours of sleep, which is fair. To be fair, I needed a couple more hours as well. But once I like got up and brushed my teeth, I was like, we're not going back to bed. So I'm just gonna chill, watch some TV, and you guys will see us when we're working out. I'm back to working out, guys, finally. Yeah, so see you in a little bit. I remember why I picked up the camera initially. In this season of Married at First Sight, and correct me if I'm wrong, I don't really remember the black males in the previous seasons, but in this season, in the first two episodes, the black males, the two husbands, Smiles and Woodrow, and their friends, are not afraid of showing emotion. And it's so refreshing to see black men cry. Like, not that I'm like, oh yeah, y'all should, no. It's just so refreshing to see because, mini rant, I feel like society, we all know society forces men to not show their emotions. Like that whole man up thing and boys don't cry BS. So it's just refreshing to see a black man in New Orleans with tattoos, braids, everything, crying. It's refreshing. I love it. I love to see it. I love to see us grow and evolve as humans, as a culture, as a race, as everything. I love it. Okay, rant over. Bye. My favorite thing about this move so far is the food. Let me explain. In Minnesota, if I were to order green juice with ginger, they skim on the ginger because it's too spicy. This ginger, bussin'. This burrito well, let me show y'all the burrito. Do we see this burrito? I don't even like cheese, but look at all that cheese. Excuse me. Good. When I said I want a chocolate cookie or chocolate chip cookie, this is what I want. You better chocolate it up, like. So I guess like we did pretty for I love it here. So this is Honey.
It's all her fault that we chose Target.
And y'all know me. Y'all see this cart, right?
No.
Don't look at the healthy stuff, but y'all see this cart,
This
right?
is for tonight's meal prep. Actually, the food for meal prep is already home.
True.
This is.
This is a situation. But we got stuff that we needed / wanted.
Oh yeah.
But this cart
Let's see
is.
her. Okay, the person who's pushing the basket is actually the one who's responsible, guys.
Nice.
She just doesn't want you guys to know that she loves going to Target. And okay, now let's try to exit out of here without buying anything else. Dun dun dun.
I already found a line. We're just going in this line right here.
Okay.
So we're out to eat. I do look busted, but it's okay. Y'all know I'm always crusty. So we got shrimp.
This is supposed to be a random, just because we really like that moment.
This was really random, for real. After Target, we came to get some food.
We're supposed to be meal prepping right now.
We are prepping this meal to go in our mouths.
This is meal prepping 101.
Right.
Just randomly go to a place and you prep your mouth and you eat.
Exactly. That's all you need. We've got like hella more food coming because we are starving. And I'm so glad I met her because she loves seafood just as much as I love seafood.
That's seafood, that's it.
Yeah, period.
Seafood and eat it.
Yes, absolutely. But I'm gonna put y'all away because we need to eat. I'm just showing y'all what y'all are missing out on. That's it. Bye. Yeah. Oh, so juicy. Yes.
What's his name? SpongeBob and his little friend.
Mr. Crab. Funny. I'm like taking mad videos before because I know once Megan's focused, I'm not gonna be able to get none of this. Megan's gonna be like, that's true. Once I'm, the camera isn't really on recording. What's happening? What's popping? What's up?
I don't need to be because you guys have the matching shit, so I feel.
Girl, you should have told us you were gonna be in here. I would have been like, girl, got you the apron. Put your apron on. We knew we were gonna do like a real like deal. Yeah.
I mean, I just need to make sure I'm not in y'all's way. Because
You are not in our way.
I don't want to be in y'all's way. Because y'all have the matching aprons and shit. Right? I don't know.
This is her idea. I was like, yo, what's your blush? She's like, oh, wait, I'm gonna get aprons and plates. And I was just like,
The plates are cute.
I was like, we're just a tray. Okay, sorry, we've been chit-chatting and twanking, but we are making like regular grilled shrimp, and then we're gonna do some shrimp Alfredo. I don't know, I'm sure you like. There's no differentiation between the shrimp. There's just shrimp. And then we're gonna do some
raw shrimp.
This is raw as well. This is just Argentinian red shrimp, and then that's tiger shrimp. And then we've got salmon. You know, fancy. I am a Western salmon. Stop. And then we've got some taters and broccoli and veggies, and we're just gonna cook and drink, and that's the video. This is called meal prepping with the girls. Do you like our aprons? Do you like our aprons? Because what we went through to get these aprons, okay, it's only Jesus that can tell the story.
Amen.
Come on. Alright, just watch us.
Ay, ay, ay. Yeah. Listen to me carefully. These hoes are scared of me, don't wanna be compared to me. Failure is rare to me. Your man pull up my chair for me. He wanna marry me. My haters give me clarity and popularity. I'm still fucking bossy, it's a burden. Everything I serve it like a bird, like Russian, Dutch, and German. Flow that make you nervous. In that Tuesday wagon, 22s looking murderous. I pop my shoulder, that picture get exposure. Got bees like Oprah. My patience is bipolar. I told ya, don't prep me or I'll roll ya. I won't be tolerating from nobody. I am back. I'm a that. Yeah, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am that. Nah, you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. Yeah, you know I'm that. I am that. I'm a that.
Job with the.
Thank you. So we've got the shrimp. Zoom in so you see the delectableness. Shrimp's done, and then we've got. So Honey, y'all see me cook before. When Honey cooks, this is professional. Oh. Like she's got the salmon in red sauce, and we still have shrimp Alfredo left to go.
Oh, but look at this broccoli, Miss Fancy Pantsy over there.
I just saute vegetables. That's not fancy. Okay, if you were to go to a restaurant and they said broccoli and peppers, or shrimp Alfredo with bits of parsley and hints of onion.
Both of them. I want all of it.
All of that.
All.
And then there's taters that are refusing to boil.
Hi, there's a better
But we
way.
got time.
Yeah, there's a way to boil a potato.
I don't know. I feel like I put it on high and I covered it so that it boils faster. Except kuch nahi ho raha hai, so I'm confused on what is going on. But we got time. We got all night. Drink check. The girls left me with my whiskey and they are drinking wine.
You guys know.
I don't know how I feel about that information, but I'm the only one drinking whiskey. It's fine. It's cool.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah, so we are gonna just cook and continue to chit chat. Honestly, we're just chatting air, shouldn't breathe, nothing.
We're just talking to talk.
Yeah.
Smart friend here.
Edna is like the brains of this operation right now.
Edna is keeping
I'm
us
brains,
from
but y'all are
getting
doing all the
too-
labor.
Edna's keeping us from start twerking on this vlog. She's like, no ladies, tonight we're talking wisdom.
Right. We've talked about the Vikings, we talked necropolitics, we talked about what else? I can't remember mostly because this was paying me.
Yeah.
But
We talked about our ancestors and the roots. Show none about that. Next vlog. We'll have a girls talk with Edna when I get all the information.
true
Do
story.
my research then.
You better come prepared, Edna.
Yes, ma'am. You know it.
Cause you know I'm gonna get in there. All
Right.
right, let's go. We're talking roots tonight.
For
Make
real.
our mamas proud.
Exactly. Like all that money in our education was not a waste. Shout out to y'all.
Period.
Period.
Are we letting this evaporate? Is that what this is?
We're gonna let it soak so it can cook down in the middle. We want it to be all nice and dry.
I'm legitimately so excited for the salmon, only because those that have seen my meal preps before know I literally would like do salt and pepper and some sort of like paste of a marinade and throw it in the oven and just eat that for like a whole week. But this,
Yeah, it's getting in there because I was a little bit pinker before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, let it dry out, and then the pieces chop up a little bit, but
Chop
they're
up
still
the onion.
juicy
mmm,
because it's like cooking in that hot. It's gonna be a little spicy. 'Cause you know I put that peppers, and there's spicy peppers.
girl,
They're gonna be yummy.
it's chili flakes, right?
No, and we have the Rotel spicy peppers.
Gotcha.
So,
Oh, yeah. Is that Goya?
with a little Goya too.
Yeah, like the with the tomatoes, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm
Everybody
excited.
should
It
just
looks
taste the piece.
delicious.
Just because now we all described it. We gotta taste it before we.
Yeah, so
describe it.
all she described is in there. What did you put in these potatoes? Because these
All we
potatoes
did
look
is
fire.
put some butter,
Mm-hmm.
onions, and garlic, and a
Mhm.
little parsley, and we're just letting our potatoes soften there.
How does it look?
It
They
looks
look like they
hot.
need to boil
How
longer.
does this look?
Oh,
I'll use this one.
yeah.
Yeah, put those in
Okay,
there.
so
Let's
these
all
are
taste
clean.
the salmon.
These-
Everybody must taste, okay?
And-
Kiss your cook, guys.
Yes. Cook number 1, all the kisses. Me, I'm okay. In this shrimp, I literally use everything here. So I've
So we all
got,
have to taste at the same time.
yeah.
Dry this.
I have, where's the top? I have
I want to get
smoked paprika in there, which I think I've usually just cooked with regular paprika, but smoked, it has a different layer. Because you know sometimes paprika is just like for color, but
Yeah.
this has flavor. And then we've got black pepper, garlic powder, hot sauce, onion powder, chilies.
She cleaned it this morning. Okay.
Yeah.
I need to cook this a little longer, but it still tastes amazing.
Oh, okay. Taste this.
Yeah, let me cook it a little longer. A little bit more crisp.
What needs to be crisp? The
These nuts. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
Are you now?
Salmon.
That's so funny. Mmm.
This is good.
You just gotta let it I could actually use a tiny bit of salt and a little bit longer to cook.
I agree with both, but that has so much flavor.
Yeah. At first explanation was be like rosemary. Pew 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 pew.
Pew pew pew.
Pew.
Pew pew pew.
It's one of those moments.
Oh, funny.
Are you we're still using this one?
Yeah.
We're still using the butter?
We have to. Yes, for the Alfredo.
Oh yeah, Alfredo. Okay, sis.
Yeah, so we have to. The Alfredo is the last thing to cook now, and then we're
I
done.
have the moment where she's vlogging.
I was when y'all.
Vlog-inception. She's in my vlog, and I'm in her vlog, which is in my vlog, which is in her vlog.
Watch both vlogs out.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave her channel. If it's not already on the screen, it'll be in the description bar below, or it'll be with both. So
This thing.
keep on watching.
You guys can watch your channel in the description bar below.
Yes.
My name is Megan the
Yes.
Stallion. Oh, wrong Megan. I mean,
We both
The other-
Megans, we're both
other
Pearls,
Megan.
but you know what I used to tell I told my friend one night, and I'm sticking to it now, is Megan means pearl, and pearl is a very hard gem to find. You have to go in the ocean. You have to find perfect wild oysters that produce these pearls. So, having me in your life is a blessing. So, period.
This is the blessing, you guys. This is all woman. She eat her vegetables.
I do. I eat my vegetables. I eat your money. I eat it all.
That I'm definitely not cutting out.
I'm just trying to. Wow, whiskey is a strong drink. Let me just put y'all away.
Put y'all away from the food.
So we have the Alfredo shrimp with the salmon and veggies and potatoes. And we've got like the regular shrimp with salmon, veggies, potatoes. You know, variety, different flavors, different tastes. All delicious. If this guy focuses, Jesus. Okay, good.
Amen.
There we go. Honestly, it's so frustrating with this camera. Regular shrimp. This was a good idea, meal prepping together, because it went by faster than I thought.
I got footage on my phone too that you can steal from.
Yeah. And then we got these little containers from Target.
Yes.
Super cheap. It comes 3 in the pack like these, and they've got these like latch to close them, so you know they're really secure. And they were $6.99. So yeah, meal prep done.